Born with radiant eyes and laughter that echoed through the palace, Chindindu brought immense joy to his parents. However, a heavy air hung over these celebrations. The seer whispered that the child was an ogbanje, a spirit child destined to traverse the realms of the living and the spirit world in a perpetual cycle. As Chindindu grew into a young prince of remarkable intelligence and charm, the kingdom experienced an unexplained curse. Crops withered, rivers dried, and misfortune befell the people. Desperate to break the curse, King Obiora sought counsel from the kingdom's most revered diviners. It was revealed that the key to the kingdom's salvation lay